2008. The journey of a piece of paper begins in southern China. 17 years of deep cultivation. Let the footsteps of the Kinkan paper cross the hot land of the three provinces. Three major manufacturing bases stands, transforming nature's gifts into cleansing power. 48,000 tons of annual production capacity, which caused by more than 2,000 day and night production upgrades. 17 years of temporary. Let the Kinkan paper be more than just a manufacturer, a nature of commercial cleaning solutions. 3 to 5 days direct access to the whole country. Package unloading service. Support global transportation. From the kitchen to the front hall. From the bathroom to the office area. From hotel bathroom to guest room. With professional quality. Building a benchmark for premium services. Let's use a tissue. Start building long-term win-win cooperation bonds.